Hey guys, so you may have seen the video that I did not that long ago on those 3 bird calls that I had received from John Solar that was part of the prize pack with that shotgun that I won. I had one viewer that kind of said boo because I didn't demonstrate the calls, so I am going to attempt to use these calls. Now, I have 0 experience using them, so I'm probably not doing this right, but what the hell, here we go. This is the snow camo design of the turkey call, and it comes with this I honestly don't know the name of this piece here, but it's like a wand that's it's a piece of dowel. Looks like it's made out of oak, but basically what you do is you rub it on the back of this piece here, which is glass according to John Solar, and it makes I guess a similar sound to a turkey. So you know, hopefully that's done right. I'm gonna have to do a little research to see how to use these things correctly. But that's the turkey call. The goose call, this beautiful orange reed grass call, man, this thing is just amazing. This has a high pitch sound to it as well. So that's what the goose call sounds like. And the duck call, another beautiful piece of work from John Solar and Black Widow blanks. Here we go. Duck call. So like I said, I have 0 experience, so I don't know if I'm doing that correctly, but I will do some research on it to see how to use it correctly, because I am planning on doing either turkey hunting or duck hunting coming up in probably later on this year, towards the end of the year. But there they are. There's what they sound like. This is for you, Jolson, because you're the one that said boo because I didn't demonstrate them. And so there you go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Talk to you later.